Hello and welcome to another episode. This is the MBH Show. I'm Matthew and this is my show. Today we're going to Tustin, California to a place I love, Costco. A lot of people love it. I love their wine. They have some of the best wines at the best deals. So this episode and this segment that we're going to do periodically is going to go over what is on sale as far as wine goes at my local Costco. So I have two Tustin Costcos. I have a San Clemente, a Savvy Ranch. I think I have some other, but we have about 5 Costcos, Fullerton. All those Costcos, I'm not going to hit them all in one week, but I am going to hit them when I go. You're going to see what wines are on sale. And furthermore, we're going to do other episodes where we actually taste them. And no, I am not a sommelier. However, I play one on YouTube, so you're going to get some really crappy advice on wine. However, what I am going to do for this episode is I'm going to tell you what's on sale, what it is, a little bit about it, and when the sale expires, how much you're going to save, and what the cost is. So let's dive into it. And don't forget to watch those other episodes where we actually taste some of the wines. I don't buy them all because some of them are expensive. And as this channel gets going, we are going to try every single one that's on sale. That includes whites and reds. Typically, I'm a red guy. Cabs, Merlot, Malbecs. We are going to do a little bit of all reds to begin with, and then eventually, as funding comes in, if you have a favorite at Costco, let me know. If there is something you dislike as far as wines go, let me know at Costco. But we are going to do it our way. That may be trademarked, but anyway, let's go.
First, we have a 2021 Cabernet Sauvignon called Educated Guess by Roots Run Deep Winery in California. The price, $49.99, $25 discount. The price is $24.99. This sale expires September 17th, 2023. Next, we have 2018 Hook or Crook Cabernet Sauvignon. This is from Lodi, California. The price was $9.99 with a $5 discount, making it $4.99. The sale expires September 17th, 2023. Next, we have a 2017 Brunello Montalcino. This is 100% Sangiovese grapes from Tuscany, Italy. The price is $44.99 with a $10 discount, making it $34.99. The sale expires Sunday, September 24th, 2023. A 2021 Synthesis, which is a Cabernet Sauvignon. This is made by Martin Ray Winery in Napa, California. The price is $43.99 with a $15 discount, making it $28.99. The sale expires Sunday, October 1st, 2023. One of my favorites, it's a 2021 Precision Cabernet Sauvignon. This is made by the Precision Wine Company. The price is $22.99 with a $10 discount, making it $12.99. The sale expires Sunday, October 1st, 2023. Next, we have a 2021 Oblivion, which is a Cabernet Sauvignon made by Oblivion Cellars in Paso Robles, California. The price is $15.99 with a $6 discount, making it $9.99. The sale expires Sunday, October 1st, 2023. We now have a 2021 Woodwork, which is a Cabernet Sauvignon made in California. The price is $9.49 with a $4 discount, making it $5.49. The sale expires Sunday, October 1st, 2023. We now have a 2019 Rutherford by Sabina Vineyards in Napa, California. The price is $99.99 with a $30 discount, makes it $69.99. Sale expires October 8th, 2023. Next on the list is a 2015 Platinum Sterling. This is made by Sterling Vineyards. It's a Cabernet Sauvignon from Napa, California. The price is $59.99 with a $25 discount, making it $34.99. This expires Sunday, October 8th, 2023. We have a 2020 Rabble. This is made by Rabble Wines. It's a red blend. It is from Paso Robles. The price is $12.89 with a $3 discount, making it $9.89. The sale expires Sunday, October 8th, 2023. We now have a 2015 Rutherford by Fleury Estates. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon from Napa, California. The price is $99.99 with a $30 discount, making it $69.99. Sale expires Sunday, October 8th, 2023. Next we have 2021 Headline Zinfandel. This is from the Dry Creek Valley. The price is $21.99 with a $10 discount, making it $11.99. This expires Sunday, October 15th, 2023. We now have 2021 Genrich. This is a Cabernet Sauvignon from the Knights Valley region. The price is $28.99 with a $6 discount, making it $22.99. Sale expires Sunday, October 22nd, 2023. We now have a 2021 Chloe, which is a Merlot. It's from the Monterey County region. The price is $9.99 with a $3 discount, making it $6.99. The sale expires Sunday, October 22nd, 2023. Next, a 2021 Domaine Bosquet Organic. This is a Malbec from Argentina. The price is $9.99 with a $2 discount, making it $7.99. The sale expires Sunday, October 22nd, 2023. Next, we have a 2021 Cherry Pie, which is a Pinot Noir. This is from San Pablo Bay Vineyards in Napa, California. The price is $39.99 with a $10 discount, making it $29.99. The sale expires Sunday, October 29th, 2023. We now have a 2019 Skyside, which is a red blend from the North Coast of California region. The price is $12.99 with a $5 discount, making it $7.99. Sale expires October 29th, 2023. We now have a 2015 E-Cellars Cuvée, which is a red blend from Bennett Valley Vineyards in Sonoma, California. The price is $23.89 with a $10 discount, making it $13.89. The sale expires Sunday, November 12th, 2023.